Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be seeing how to upload Playwright test report in zip format to Slack. Moving to the first slide, so it's an introduction. In this session, we will send the Playwright test result zip file to Slack. Through this session, we will create new app in Slack and create a new Slack bot token. This Slack bot token, we will be requiring it in Playwright script. Once the Slack bot token is set up, we will write a script to upload result zip file to Slack. At the end, we will be seeing a zip file uploaded to Slack. Moving on to the next slide, it is a creation of Slack bot token. To create it, we have to go to this URL. Once we have visited the URL, we have to click on create new app. After clicking on this, we have to fill all the information which are required. After filling the information, we will be clicking on create button. Once the app is created, we will be going to OAuth and permission page setting. Under this, within the scope, we will be selecting bot token scope. We have to set the given permissions which are showed in this slide. We have to give file write permission to upload the files. The next will be channel in the read format. We have to give it to access the channel. The last one is chat write. This is the optional setting. If we want to send a message, so we have to enable it. After setting all the permissions, we will be clicking on install app to workspace, which is at the top. After clicking on that, we will be copying the bot user OAuth token. This particular token, we will be needing it in our Playwright framework. The next thing is we have to open a Slack and we have to type /invite@app name, which we have created, so that this application will be added to Slack channel. I will show you quick demo of it. As you can see over here, I have came to this particular URL. Now I will be clicking on create new app. I will be selecting from scratch option. I will give my app name. After giving the app name, I will be selecting the workspace. Then I will click on create app. Once this is created, I will be moving to OAuth and permission page. Here in the down, I will be adding all the options which I have showed in the slide. As you can see over here, I have added all the scope within it. Now I will click on install to my test workspace and I will click on allow. Once this is done, I am getting bot user OAuth token, which I will be copying it and using it in my Playwright framework. Coming to the Slack channel, I am required to add the app which I have created, for which I will be writing /invite my application name, that is upload results. This application has been added to channel. Now moving to the next slide. In this, we will be writing Playwright installation and the script. To install the Playwright framework, we will be using npm-init playwright latest command. Once the installation is completed, you can make the changes as per the need of framework. After that, we have to run another command, that is npm-install.env, as we will be using .env file to provide key and value pair. Through .env file, we will be fetching our Slackbot token and channel ID into our script. The next step will be we will be creating upload report to slack.ts file, in which we will be writing our upload script. Also, we will be running npm install @slack-web API. This command is used to install Slack web API dependencies. Also, we need to create tsconfig.json file to enable ES module. After setting up all the framework related details, we will be running our test and we will be verifying if we have received zip file. Let's proceed with the demo. I have opened the folder in the VS Code. Now I will be opening a terminal from it. To install the Playwright framework, I will be using npm init playwright latest command. As you can see, Playwright installation has been completed. Moving to the next step. To save a time, I have placed my code in the framework. I will be walking you through all these things one by one. Let's start with .env. Here, I will be placing a values of Slackbot token and the channel ID, which I will be using in upload reporter to slack.ts file. To add all the dependencies of .env, I have to run npm install .env command. Moving to the next one, in the package.json, I will be writing my scripting part. In this, first I will set type as module. After that, through this test, I will be setting npx playwright test, which is used to run the test. Through zip-report, I will be enabling PowerShell and will be zipping the report file which is present after the results. Zips the Playwright HTML report folder into .zip file inside a zip folder. It also checks if zip folder is present. If it is not present, it will be creating one. Also, it loads PowerShell archive module. It compresses the content of Playwright report directly into a zip files. The next will be upload-report. This runs a TS script, that is upload report to slack.ts file, that likely uploads the zipped report to the Slack channel. At the last, we will be combining all this and we will be writing a test script called test-and upload. which will run the test cases, after which it will be zipping the results and then upload it to the Slack channel. In the playwright.config.ts file, I will be enabling HTML and line reporter. We will be creating tsconfig.json file to create module as ES next. This enables ES module related syntax. Moving on to our script part, we have upload report to slack.ts. In this, a script is written to upload the zip file to the Slack channel. First, we will try to add the dependency of Slack Web API. For this, we will be running this command. This import, that is @Slack hyphen web API, it's an official Slack SDK to interact with Slack API. The import, that is fs and path, it's a node.js module to work with the file and the path of it. The .env loads environment variable from a .env file. Through this command, we have set the path. Through this if statement, we are checking if the reports are available to upload. The code, that is const slack is equal to web new web client token. It initializes the Slack API client with your bot token. Code, that is const file buffer is equal to fs.read file sync zip path. This reads the zip file into memory in the file buffer. Through upload v2 function, the zip file will be uploaded to Slack. Now we will try to run our test. Previously, I was getting an error that I have resolved. This was due to the file has not been saved. Running it again, as you can see, the report has already been uploaded to Slack. We will check it in our channel. So as you can see, the files has been uploaded. I have took example test only, which has been provided by Playwright framework. You can change as per your requirement. Thank you.